We have gathered reviews from all over the internet to bring you a comprehensive and detailed look at the Pukavt 4-pack balaclava face mask designed for men and women who need reliable UV protection, windproofing, and dust defense while engaging in outdoor activities such as motorcycling, skiing, cycling, and snowboarding. This review reflects a wide range of user experiences and expert insights to help you understand the product's strengths and weaknesses. If you own this item, please leave your own review in the comments to assist others in making informed decisions. The link to the product is in the description, and using it supports the channel. The Pukavt Balaclava is crafted from lightweight 100% polyester fabric, which gives it a soft, breathable feel similar to activewear. Users consistently praise the material for being thin yet durable, allowing it to fit comfortably under helmets without adding bulk or causing overheating. This is a critical feature for motorcyclists, cyclists, and skiers who require a snug, unobtrusive layer beneath their helmets. The fabric's breathability is a highlight as it effectively wicks moisture away and prevents sweat buildup, keeping the wearer cool and comfortable even during intense physical activity. This makes it suitable for use in both warm and cool weather conditions. The fit of the balaclava is generally described as comfortable and stretchy, accommodating a range of head sizes without feeling restrictive or itchy. The mask's design includes a wide eye opening that comfortably fits glasses frames, which is a significant advantage for those who wear eyewear during outdoor activities. The balaclava can be worn in multiple configurations, including as a full face mask, half face mask, neck gaiter, helmet liner, bandana, or headband. This versatility allows users to adjust coverage according to their needs and the specific conditions they face. Performance-wise, the balaclava excels at blocking wind and dust, making it an effective barrier against the elements. Users report that it provides adequate warmth when layered under helmets in temperatures around 40 degrees Fahrenheit. But it is important to note that it does not offer the same insulation as thicker knit hats or hoodies. Some users recommend layering 2 balaclavas for enhanced warmth while maintaining a good fit. The mask also provides UV protection, shielding skin from harmful sun rays during extended outdoor exposure. The construction quality is generally well regarded, with strong stitching and durable seams that hold up well to repeated use and washing. The balaclava is machine washable, wrinkle-free, and quick drying, adding to its convenience for frequent use. It is available in packs of 1 to 4, offering good value for those who want multiple masks for rotation or sharing. In terms of style, the Pukavt Balaclava comes in a variety of colors and patterns, including solid colors like black, gray, and red, as well as camouflage prints such as blue, green, and pink. This range allows users to select a look that suits their personal style or outdoor gear. The overall appearance is clean and functional, appealing to outdoor enthusiasts who want both protection and a bit of flair. Despite its many positives, the balaclava does have some drawbacks. Some users with larger heads find the fit tight, which can cause discomfort for those who prefer a looser fit. Conversely, users with smaller heads often find the sizing perfect. This suggests that fit may vary depending on individual head shape and size. Another common limitation is the level of warmth provided. While the mask is effective at blocking wind and dust, it is not designed as a primary source of insulation in extremely cold conditions. Users expecting heavy winter warmth may be disappointed and should consider additional layers. A minor issue mentioned by some users is the potential for fogging when the mask is pulled up over the nose, as exhaled breath can be redirected upward onto glasses or helmet visors. This is a common challenge with many balaclavas and face masks, but can often be mitigated by adjusting the mask to sit just below the nose. Overall, the Pukavt Balaclava Face Mask is a practical and versatile accessory for anyone spending time outdoors in windy, dusty, or moderately cold environments. Its key strengths lie in its comfortable fit, breathability, and ability to serve as a thin, unobtrusive layer under helmets. It excels as a wind and dust barrier and as a hygienic layer between the skin and helmet padding, helping to keep helmets cleaner and more comfortable. The affordable price, multi-pack options, and variety of colors add to its appeal. For motorcyclists and cyclists, the balaclava offers excellent wind protection and comfort during commutes or recreational rides. Skiers and snowboarders benefit from its lightweight warmth and dust-blocking properties. Outdoor workers and enthusiasts appreciate its UV protection and versatility for various activities. The mask's easy maintenance and quick drying make it a convenient choice for frequent use. In summary, the Pukavt 4-pack balaclava face mask is a well-rounded product that meets the needs of a broad audience. It is particularly suited for those who want a breathable, lightweight, and comfortable face covering that performs well under helmets and in moderately cold conditions. While it may not replace heavier winter gear for extreme cold, it provides excellent protection against wind, dust, and UV rays. If you have experience with this balaclava, please share your thoughts in the comments to help others. Remember, the product link is in the description and using it supports the channel.